The bleach bypass effect has become incredibly popular with digital photography, but it has its roots in the days of film-based filmmaking. And while most people apply the effect in Photoshop, we can achieve a very similar look in Lightroom. So here we have our after image, and you can see that it has the typical characteristics of a bleach bypass. It's quite bright, high contrast, and the saturation has been knocked out to create a really nice muted color palette. So let's take a look at the start image here. I've just taken a couple of snapshots so we can quickly look at the before and after. So you'll see that it's much more punchy than the original image, and it just makes the subject really pop out of the scene. So let's take a look at what we need to do. So if we just scroll down to the tone curve, and we just need to make sure that the point curve is selected, and then just go down to the drop down menu that's set to linear and select strong contrast. And then move back up. We're going to take that white slider all the way over to 40, and then the black slider down to -11. So that's giving us an additional boost of contrast and just giving us that brightness that we had before. So next up, we're just going to take the texture over to roughly about 11, and then the clarity, which is essentially mid-tone contrast, up to 21. And then all we need to do now to finish off the effect is take the saturation down to -40. And there we have our bleach bypass effect.